You will not believe this. We caught our elf on the shelf on camera decorating the kids' room last night. Clearly he needs some decor lessons, but nice try, Todd. Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel and to Vlogmas 2018. I can't believe it's already been a week. Time is just flying here. It's also been 1 week since Todd, our elf on the shelf, made his arrival back in our house from the North Pole, and he's been up to some crazy things. So I figured it would be really fun, in case you're just joining Vlogmas, to show you all of the things that Todd, our elf on the shelf, has been up to for the last week. And you're gonna get a double dose of what these crazy elves have been up to, because this is the collaboration with my good friend here on YouTube. Her name is Jackie. Her channel is Life with Jackie, and all of her socials, if you wanna follow her and her gorgeous family, is Jacqueline Schultz. We just have so much in common. She's a Sagittarius gal like me, so we both have birthdays coming up this next week, and we both were teachers. She was a teacher for 10 years in the inner city, and she's the daughter of Howie Mandel. She was a red carpet correspondent, so she's done like really cool stuff. And her channel, you will find a lot of vlogs, you will find some cooking and routine and cleaning videos, but she also does some pranks on her family. So it's a very fun channel, and that's just what I feel every time I speak with Jackie or watch her videos. She is just fun. Like, she has such a great energy about her. And I think I shared this in another video, but just when she has faced some serious challenges, like being evacuated from her home during the California wildfires, like, I've never seen somebody so strong and still optimistic in the face of something that I can only imagine what that would feel like, knowing that you're like losing your home in a fire. So please make sure that you go follow Jackie on her socials. It's Jacqueline Schultz, and that you subscribe to her channel, because I know you will just love her content, because it is so fun and uplifting, and she's just all around like an incredible human. But before we get into the rest of the vlog, let's go back and take a look at what we've caught our crazy elf on the shelf Todd doing. We've caught him on camera this last week doing some crazy things. So if you haven't read the book Elf on the Shelf, Santa Claus sends elves to keep an eye on certain kids during Christmas time, and every night the elves fly back to the North Pole and report to Santa if the kids were naughty or nice that day. And oftentimes the elf gets into naughty or nice behavior when he gets back home from the North Pole. So Todd comes December 1st in our house, so here's what he's been up to. And I forgot to mention, this is a friendly competition between me and Jackie, so let us know in the comments whose elf is having more fun this year. Our elf Todd or their elf Clay?
Oh no, Todd. Looks like you got your tinsel in a tangle, or your lights in a bit of a tangle there. I'm not sure if we have an elf or a cowboy, but he decided to take a ride on a reindeer.
Hi.
Nope, you can't touch, you can't touch.
No, this is what I do.
Play it, Dane. You can't touch him. Todd's borrowing him today. You can play with him tomorrow.
But I mean, Todd clearly had a good time last night.
Put those in there. Put them in the cart. Good job. My Poppy. She did, she climbed right up there. Well, okay, so you have a Christmas card.
I do.
I have your pop, right? Pop for Poppy. And look, this is what Prezi, I think, is extra excited about. What do you get?
Hello.
You want that? I'll put yours right there.
I need to stick her head on.
I know. Yum.
Frosty.
She's eating a little mini donut. That was really cute.
You made this?
Yeah.
Wow. That is so cool.
Two.
Are these ornaments? Wow. A gingerbread man ornament and a wreath? Or are those two separate? They're meant to be stuck together?
Yeah, they're supposed to be separate.
Wow.
What's that one?
Okay, Daddy.
Wow, what is that one?
The pine cone.
A pine cone with glitter?
Yeah. Look.
Landon, those are so cool. You made all those? You did?
Aren't those cute? Here, don't let her pick the buttons off. She can put those in her mouth.
Daddy.
Here, let's go here.
Daddy, look it. Daddy.
Whoa.
Snowman.
A snowman?
Presley wants to do.
That is snowman? Very smart. Landon, those
Did
are
you
my
hear
favorite
him?
ones.
He said Grandma Bonnie's gonna come and see these beautiful things.
I had to come into my office to prep a couple of things before my intern gets here today. And Adam's having lunch with the kids, so you probably hear them in the background.
And I love this quote for today. It's every man's obligation to put back into the world at least the equivalent of what he takes out of it. Albert Einstein.
But I love that quote, especially this time of year, just this season of giving. But just in life, it's what do you want your legacy to be? What's the impact you want to leave on the world? And for me, it's always like, what type of good do I want to leave that can carry on to the next generation? And I thought about that a lot as a teacher. I think it's like pretty natural to think about, what am I going to teach my students? Like when I'd be planning my lessons, that I really wanted to make sure that they could carry on and apply to their schooling, their lives. And then especially with raising kids, I think it's like almost that natural connection of, if I want to leave this world a better place, what am I doing every day to teach my kids, who are going to be part of this next generation, what it means to be a good person and give back as well. So I love that. I think it's just like beautiful between this time of year and between all of the women and mamas that I know watching this, of like, as women, I think we hold so much power in shaping the next generation and giving back to the world. So I love that quote. Even though that quote said every man's, I'm turned into it's every woman's obligation.
And today's comment of the day is from Struggling Mom. It says, love your Vlogmas. You are so real and genuine, and that is why I love your channel. I truly appreciate people, channels that show real life motherhood, because there's no such thing as perfection. Whose kids are not loud? Mine are amazingly loud. Whose playroom is not put together at all times? Not mine, definitely. Who does not have mom fails? I always have, hence the name Struggling Mom. But you are an inspiration and motivate others despite adversities and difficulties in your personal life. So thank you for being you.
Thank you so much for that comment. It truly made me tear up when I read it, and even rereading it right now, I appreciate that so much. No one's perfect. You don't have to be perfect. And I say that especially if you do struggle with perfectionism as well, and thinking in our head. Oftentimes we set these very, very lofty standards for ourselves that you just don't have to meet, despite the fact that I get it. It's very hard if you have an idea in your head to see it otherwise. But just know you're doing an amazing job, and whether you're struggling or whether you're having an awesome day, which I hope you're having an awesome day, but if you are struggling today and it is just a hard day for you, you can start fresh tomorrow. And we'll all be here for you tomorrow, since it's Vlogmas and there's a new video every day at 8 a.m. But in all seriousness, I really appreciated that comment. I really needed to hear it, especially the day that you left it. So thank you.
Best dad ever. Help him put Landon down for his nap.
At least I can do that. Maybe. Come on, bud.
If you're new, Adam got into a really bad car accident and has had a concussion, so there's just not a whole lot that he can do right now, because he's just not feeling very good. He's like going to bed at the same time as the kids and just trying to like rest and feel better, because he's just been like super dizzy and nauseous and having really bad headaches. And like, just even last night, I like felt bad I tweeted this, but one of his favorite rides at Disney is like the Buzz Lightyear Toy Story like laser gun ride. and we were reading A Christmas Story, and it's like this 25 Days of Christmas like countdown storybook for Landon. And he was like, Toy Story's a Disney movie? And I was like, babe. And he's like, wait, is Pixar Disney? And I was like, babe. So I just feel so bad. I feel like it's like really affecting him. I probably shouldn't even like laugh or joke about it, but there's some more orders headed out today, so check your mailbox. I'm asking Adam, which dress? Velvet or floral?
Either.
I'm asking you to pick one. I know I can have either.
Red.
Okay. Red?
Maroon.
Yeah, like Merlot or maroon is more accurate.
I am concussed and can only do primary colors.
Oh my god. Okay, here's what I'm wearing for my birthday dinner. Good pick, babe.
Thanks.
Oh, but no, seriously. Huh?
Ow.
Oh my god. But no, I love this thing. I wore it in like our family photos too, and I like how it's like a little bit looser but still A-line, so I can eat lots of steak tonight. I feel like that's a good question of the day. Like, what do you pick for your birthday dinner? Like, what is the meal, or what type of restaurant cuisine do you like to eat on your birthday? I like a good steak or Mexican, like barrio tacos. Hey, what do you always pick? He's a 4th of July baby, so I feel like a lot of times he just ends up eating like whatever the barbecue is.
B-dubs.
Or B-dubs. Hi. I knew you weren't napping.
I'm trying to sleep.
You were trying to sleep?
Yeah.
It just didn't work out today? Yeah, it seems to be happening a lot, huh? Hold on. What happened? Why is that pulled out of the humidifier? That was Presley?
She came in here.
Presley came in here?
She's a back trip out of bed, then she came in, or then she did this mess.
Hi. I'm sorry to wake you up, but you took an extra long nap today. How'd you sleep? Aw. We gotta get you ready for Gigi's house, okay? Because Mommy and Daddy have a date night. Aw, those big eyes when you wake up. Sorry I woke you up.
Go.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Adam loves driving with us in the car.
This is better than most trips.
You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear It's kind of ironic that we have like the Hawaiian Christmas song playing and we're driving in this. Okay, so cold weather friends. When you're driving in the car, if you have the actual temperature, what do you have it set at when you're driving? Because I'm in Adam's car and he has it set so much higher than I do. I feel like my face is like a greasy sweat slide already, and like I switched to natural deodorant, babe. Like I just don't know if like I can handle this.
It's freezing outside.
Good night night.
Did you bring
Love you.
Love you.
All right, bye. Love you.
How you stand?
I ordered the boots. They're in the mail.
PJ parties.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, love you. Thanks for watching them.
Your shoulder.
That was funny.
Red lobster.
No, Red the steakhouse.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Have fun.
We'll wave you at the window, okay?
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. Love you. Yes. Adam rented out the restaurant for us this evening.
Pretty baller. Pretty boss move. No big deal.
No, the reality is we're the first people here because one, we're that hungry, but two, because of the kids, we're like the early bird special.
It opened, actually, we got here a minute before it did open.
Food porn tonight, guys. Bounce.
I mean, guys, this dinner. Babe, I think you outdid yourself.
Yeah. Pretty excited.
I'm pretty excited. Filet all day. These are the world's greatest donuts. And there's like raspberry, caramel, and chocolate dipping sauce. They're so good.
I don't want to tell you what I'm wishing for because then it won't come true. But
Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new, and I will see you in tomorrow's video at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Until then, make sure you're all caught up on these. Bye, loves.